Hey guys, I'm Ben, the founder of BamBeds, and I just wanted to show you an easy way to put the boards in the truck. If you have a shell that has a large lip here, or if you have a soft topper with an internal frame, that can make it a little bit difficult to put the boards in the ways that I've shown in the past. So this will work for anyone with a Tacoma. You should have a cubby hole on the left side of the truck. You'll take the cover of that off, and then you'll just take one board, you'll put one corner just kind of slipped into the cubby, and then rotate the right edge around until you have it sitting like that diagonally, and then you'll just pick it up and set both sides down onto each of the wedges there, and then you can slide it forward for the next one to come in.